think I'm in love. You tell me, how many features do you expect to get out of a $150 computer case? What's up guys, and welcome back to Unpack It. Today we're unpacking the Lian Li LANCOOL216 mid-tower case. But before the video begins, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's unpack this thing. If you already spent most of your budget on the latest 4090 and you want to save some money for the case, then I'll say this bad boy right here is going to be your best friend. With a price tag just below 150 bucks, with an extremely flexible and thoughtful design for those gamers always wanting to try something new. Just like me, Lian Li has been pushing themselves in the recent years. You may have heard about the Lian Li from the 111 Dynamic Evo, as well as the Lancool 3, which were both quite impressive. I'm impressed by their improvement, always trying to give customers more choice, more customization, because they already include those choices in their module. Let's check out the aesthetics. This case comes in two colors, either black or white, with the RGB fans at the front. Mesh design layout with a tempered glass and white panels at the sides. It's not a full glass panel at the side. Here is a fine mesh panel at the bottom for more airflow. Dust filter is an optional accessory. Obviously, the drawback is less airflow, but the choice is yours. Maybe in your eyes, it's worth it. Comes with 260mm RGB fans at the front for create large airflow. It is fit to the edge so that you can extract the most air volume for air cooling. Inside, you may try replacing it with another 120 or 140mm fan or a max 360mm radiator as well. The screws at the top here make that possible. You can relocate the front I/O to the lower left side if you wish, more flexibility to have your PC either on the floor or on the desk, or you can purchase an ARGB control if you want both, which I think is really cool. All right, turning to the back, the SAT8 powered fan hub can support up to 4 ARGBs and PWM fans. You can keep cables nice and neat with the chambers to make cable management that much easier. Here's a dust filter at the bottom. You can just take it off and clean it. Easy peasy. Now the outside might be simple, but just like us, it's what's on the inside that matters. Let's check it out. This case is compatible with either ATX or eATX motherboards. You can adjust the plate here and flip it to the other side if it fits your motherboard better. They have this thoughtful design which allows you to set up air or water cooling. All you need to do is screw the motherboard to the upper position. The case already comes with screw holes. Once you put the motherboard to the upper position, you can free up some room for a fan or radiator below. The maximum length for the GPU is 392mm, meaning it is capable of handling the latest 4000 series cards from NVIDIA. Here, you can unscrew the PCIe expansion slot panels, crank that 90 degrees, and now you have your GPU stand vertically. But be reminded that you have to order an additional riser cable in order to stand it vertically. The case has also attached a 140mm fan at the rear. You can either mount the fan inside or outside the bracket according to the GPU position. If you want to mount it outside, it comes with an additional fan bracket, which I think is so thoughtful. Here's also the mesh panel on top. When you take it off, it reveals the top mounting bracket. You can also remove the top mounting bracket for easier fan or radiator installation. You may use the additional seal plates here to cover part of the surface to ensure no pressure leaks if you don't need 320mm fans at the top. You can manage cables with these cutouts, or you can just take them out for even more space. This whole case is able to insert up to 6 SSDs. You can mount 2 SSDs at the back chamber. Here are 2 more plates. You can put 2 more fans or a radiator to create maximum airflow. And at the bottom, you have plenty of room for a power supply and HDD mounting. And here are 2 SSD trays that you can remove and make even more room, yes, even more room for cables. How much room do you need for cables? Yes. Okay, you can see I've introduced so many features in this case. I didn't want to make the video long, but there's just so many impressive features I had to share with you guys. You can see just how capable it is under its ordinary appearance. More possibilities, more assembly. The process should be fun. And if you want to upgrade in the future, this case makes it very easy. Don't tell anyone, but I actually like this better than my case I have right now. And for about 140 bucks, yeah, I'd say it's worth it. That's it for today. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Don't forget to do it after this video. And if you want to watch a PC build with this case, comment and let us know below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!